Have you ever wondered how to grow your money? Money, like a tree, needs the right conditions to flourish. Just as a tree needs water and sunlight, your money needs time and a little something called compounding. Compounding is the process where your earnings generate even more earnings. Think of it as earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing bigger and faster over time. Imagine you're planting a money tree. You start with the seed of your initial investment, nurture it with regular contributions, and over time, you'll see it grow. This is the power of investing. It's not just about stashing your money away in a savings account, it's about strategically putting your money to work for you, multiplying your wealth over time, and creating a more secure financial future. Today, we are going to explore 5 main types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and commodities. Ever dreamed of owning a piece of a big company like Apple or Amazon? Well, with stocks you can. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. This makes you a shareholder, giving you a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Now, the beauty of stocks lies in their potential for high returns. If the company you've invested in does well and its value increases, the price of your stock rises. And voila, you've made a profit. But don't start celebrating just yet. It's not always a smooth sail. If the company's performance dips, the value of your stock may fall, potentially leading to losses. So, while stocks hold the allure of high returns, they also come with high risks. Remember, investing isn't about overnight success. It's about making informed decisions and being patient. Remember, while stocks can offer high returns, they also come with high risks. So tread carefully. How about lending your money to the government or a corporation? That's what bonds are all about. Now, imagine you're the bank in a game of Monopoly, lending money to players who promise to pay you back with interest. In the real world, that's how bonds work. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending your money to the issuer, be it a government or a corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back the full amount, known as the face value, at a set date in the future or the maturity date. And here's the cherry on top, they also agree to pay you interest periodically until the bond matures. Now, you might think this sounds pretty safe, and you're right. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks because you're promised your money back. But remember, with lower risk comes lower potential returns. Bonds are generally safer than stocks, but the returns may be lower. It's all about balance. Want to spread your investments across a bunch of stocks or bonds? Enter mutual funds. Picture a bustling city with all its different buildings and businesses. Now imagine owning a little piece of each one. That's what a mutual fund is like. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading them across multiple baskets. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool together money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers who aim to maximize returns while minimizing risks. Think of them as the conductors of an investment orchestra, making sure all the instruments play in harmony. But here's the catch. Just like a city, a mutual fund can face challenges. Market volatility, management fees, and potential losses are part of the package. So before you buy, do your homework. Understand the fund's investment strategy, its track record, and its fees. Mutual funds are a great way to start investing, but remember, they come with their own set of risks and fees. Ever thought of your home as an investment? That's what real estate investing is all about. Let's dive right into it. Real estate, in essence, is property, land, buildings, and the natural resources that come with it. Now, how do you make money from it? There are 2 main ways: rental income and property appreciation. Imagine owning an apartment building. You can rent out the units to tenants and receive a steady stream of income. That's rental income. Now, let's say you bought that building 10 years ago at $100,000, and today it's worth a whopping $200,000. That increase in value? That's property appreciation. However, remember, real estate isn't just about buying a property and sitting back. It requires active management, maintenance, and a keen eye on the property market. It's a hands-on investment that can yield great returns if managed well. Real estate can be a solid investment, but it requires time and effort. It's not just about buying a house and waiting for its value to go up. Have you ever considered investing in gold, oil, or even coffee? Welcome to the world of commodities. This realm of the financial market is all about physical goods, tangible assets that you could literally touch if you wanted to. But don't worry, you won't need to store barrels of oil in your backyard to invest in commodities. Like stocks, commodities can be bought and sold through futures contracts, where you agree to buy or sell a specific quantity of a commodity at a predetermined price in the future. This can be anything from precious metals, energy sources, to agricultural products. Why invest in commodities, you might ask? Well, they have the potential to provide a hedge against inflation. When the cost of living goes up, the prices of these physical goods often rise too. But remember, investing in commodities is not without risks. Prices can be volatile, swinging up and down based on supply and demand factors. Commodities can be volatile and unpredictable, but they can offer a hedge against inflation. So now that you know the basics, are you ready to start your investment journey? We've explored the different avenues of investing, from buying stocks and becoming a part owner of a company, to lending your money through bonds, pooling your resources with mutual funds, investing in physical real estate, or even betting on commodities like gold or oil. Each of these investment types has its own unique features, potential benefits, and associated risks. Remember, diversification is key. It's like a balanced diet for your portfolio, mixing different asset classes to manage risk and maximize returns. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Understanding the fundamentals and doing your homework can make all the difference when it comes to making sound investment decisions. Remember, the first step to successful investing is education. So keep learning, start exploring, and let your money work for you.